I know what you're thinking. You think I'm a dick after all that. But you heard what the cop said. Sionis is gone. And those guys, they're gonna be just fine. Montoya's boss picked up the gangbangers at the booby trap and took all the credit while he was at it. Again. It was the kick in the balls she needed to see that she had nothing to prove to those blowhard assholes. She quit the same day. We got the secret bank codes off the dime, and Huntress got her family money back. She's using it to fund a little crime-fighting outfit. They call themselves the Birds of Prey. I call them dorky little do-gooders. The rock itself was worth a chunk of change, so I pawned it, and I invested the cash in a little startup making waves in the East End.
I'm a motherfucking woman, baby, alright.
Oh, and I found Bruce. He was wandering around Chinatown. I guess that proves the theory that hyenas really do have 9 lives. Yeah, I made the kid my apprentice. Call me a softie. I dare ya.
Turn into a girl's best friend.